Hello, dear great students. How is it going? I hope we are fine and always be spirit to study. Now we are in session 6 for writing 1. In this session, we are going to discuss about daily activities and adjective clauses. In this meeting, we will learn on how to make and complete a story based on the picture as well as on how to make a conversation. You should focus on some competencies which we learn in this meeting, namely adverbs, conjunction, relative pronouns, or adjective clauses. By using adjective clause in a sentence, we are able to make a concise and clear sentences. Some words that we can use as relative pronouns or adjective clause such as who, which, whose, whom, where, and when. They give more information about a noun, like person, place, object, idea in a sentence. As reminder, at the end of this week, you are pleased to submit your answer of assignment 2. Our learning source of this session is Model 6, Bing 4122. Alright, good students, don't forget to check your attendance and participate actively in the discussion forum. Happy studying and see you!